Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make an easy mini junk journal and mini notebook using this set of free printables. The link to get these free printables is in the description below this video. These mini journals are made using one sheet of paper and folded in a creative way to make a mini journal with a front and back cover and 6 inner pages. They're quick and easy to make and are perfect to use as embellishments in your larger junk journals. The papers used to make the mini journals coordinate with the Vintage Nostalgia paper pack, and you can also find a link to those printable papers in the description below. To get started, print and cut out the pieces. The cover and pages should be printed on good quality copy paper, about 24 pounds in weight, which is slightly thicker than standard copy paper. The elements and ephemera should be printed on a lightweight cardstock, around 65 pound weight. When printing the pages, make sure the page scaling option in the print dialog box is set to Fit to Printable Area, or similar option depending on your software, so that the pages print within the margins of your paper, otherwise the border edges will get cut off. To assemble the mini journal, fold the page into 8 sections. It helps to use a paper creasing tool to make very sharp creases. Fold the paper lengthways and make a crease down the middle. Fold the paper widthways and make a crease down the middle, and then fold the end sections over toward the centerfold. Make sure to carefully align the edges. Once the paper is creased, fold it in half widthways and cut along the center fold from the end to the next fold. Fold the paper lengthways and, holding the edges, push the paper so the center section pops open. Then fold the outer sections over to form a booklet. To finish, I like to glue my pages together so that they don't flop open and it looks more like a mini journal. If there's any white bits showing around the edges, trim them away with a pair of scissors or apply some ink using a stamp pad and applicator. To finish off the mini junk journal, attach and insert the elements onto the pages. To assemble the pockets, fold in the tabs and apply some double-sided tape or a tape runner and glue in place on the pages. You can attach ribbons through the holes in the tags and use bits of lace to embellish the pages. I've also used a piece of ribbon as a tie closure.